this video, I will show you how to add a table to your existing process mining app. In my current app, I have loaded these 4 data files: cases, due dates, event log, and tags. Now I want to add a 5th file with information about tasks. Each case, as you can see, can have multiple tasks. So I want to load this data and join it to the tags table. First, I need to upload my new table. I'll press Upload Development Data, and I select the files I want to add. I press Upload Data to start the uploading process. After my data is loaded, I can now add it to my transformations. To do that, I'll edit my app and go to Data Transformations. First, I need to add it to my sources file. Like so. And then I can create a query to load the tasks data. My query selects all the individual fields, and the next step here is to run it to actually populate the table. After you've run the query, you can directly add that table to your data model, or you can join it together with several others, perform more data transformations, and filter your data. Once you've run your final query, you can now go to the data model section. Here you see the data model of your current app. Let's add the task table to this data model. Each table needs to have a primary key, so I select task ID here. Now I want to join this table to the rest of my data model. So to do that, I add a relation to the table. I want to connect it to the cases table, and I'll use case ID in the task table to connect it to case ID internal in the cases table. Press apply, and my relation shows up. This data model looks fine, so I'll save it. Now to apply my data model to my app, I have to press apply to dashboards. That will start a data run to output the new tables to your process mining dashboards. After the data run is completed, I can now start using the new table in my dashboards. I go to Edit App. The Data Manager shows me that there's a new table in my data model called Tasks, and I can now start using that to create dashboards and metrics. In here, I already created the new dashboard with a table that uses the number of tasks metric that I just created and displays it on this chart. And there you have it. I uploaded a new file to my process mining app, added data transformations to query that file, and then finally added it to my data model. After applying to dashboards, I can now start using the new table in my process mining dashboards. Thank you for watching.